Hey, y'all. I figured it would. Okay. Hold on just 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. So I figured it was time that I did a channel update because it's been a while since I posted a video. Now, as some of you may know, we just recently bought this house that we've been renting for the past few years. So I've been outside doing a lot of work and inside here doing a lot of other work as we kind of make it our own and, repair a few things that needed repairing and replacing every appliance in the kitchen. So I haven't had a whole heck of a lot of shop time. That's one reason why you haven't seen any videos out of me. The other reason is, simply put, between that and other projects that I've had going outside, I haven't had time to even get out in the shed. I mean, my last project was last month, had nothing to do with the rotary axis. It was some birthday gifts for my granddaughters. So that, and I just recently upgraded to VCarve Pro version 9.0. So I'm still kind of learning the changes and learning the ins and outs of the new software. And I have a real philosophical problem with presuming to do a tutorial for somebody on something that I'm just now learning myself. Which is one of the reasons why I also didn't go into any modeling for the rotary axis. I'm still learning that. I've had a couple people ask me about the software. It's pretty high dollar software that I don't own. I'm using my son-in-law and a couple of other resources as far as modeling is concerned while I learn it. That's why I never went into that because, again, I have a real problem with being presumptuous enough to try to instruct you on how to do something that I'm just learning or that I don't know how to do. There's enough bad information out there online. I don't want to add to it. So, what else has been going on? Not a lot. But just to let you know that when I do get up to speed on the new version of VCarve, and that won't be long, I've already got some plans for videos. I'm going to get into VCarving for the absolute beginner. I'm going to get into just the VCarve software for the absolute beginner. And just where do you start? How do you start? What do you do? In the meantime, some of you may have already noticed what I'm doing is I'm going back to my tutorial videos and I'm starting the process of closed captioning. I had a very short conversation with a member of one of the CNC groups that I'm in, and in her words, she is totally deaf, has never had any hearing to be impaired, and she is looking for tutorials, beginner's tutorials for VCarve that have good closed captions. And that made me stop and think, none of my videos are closed captioned, other than the automatic YouTube closed captions, which, if you've ever read them, are confusing at the best and kind of comical at the worst. They leave a lot to be desired, let's just say. So I'm going back, and I've already gotten, I believe today was number 6 of the tutorial videos that I have closed captioned. And more of that's going to happen. I'll be closed captioning. Eventually, I'll be closed captioning everything. So all of you folks out there who have mentioned to me that my videos are too long, you got your revenge. It's coming back to haunt me. So, because now I get to go in and close caption them. So that may or may not affect you. You may or may not care about that, but I figure there's enough people out there that want and need something like this. My total outlook on this channel from the get-go has been to try to help people if I can. And if I can do something like get in and edit the automatic YouTube closed captions to where they actually make some sense, then yeah, I'll do that. So that's what I've been up to. That's the direction the channel is going to go. There's going to be more tutorials. There will be a lot more project videos. I'm rotten at when it comes to videotaping or taking pictures of projects. I'm making a conscious effort to change that. My attitude's been get it finished, get it out the door. I'm going to really put more effort into changing that and getting more project content, and as well as tutorials. I'm not going to stop doing that. So that's what's going on with me. I hope everything's going along well with you. There will be new stuff coming up soon. And thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for watching. And if you want to follow along with my CNC adventures, by all means, hit that subscribe button down there and hit that little bell right next to it. That way you'll get a desktop notification, whether it be on your computer or your mobile device, every time I upload a new video. So whether you subscribe to me or not, or if this is just a one-off thing, thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Y'all take care.